A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, some people, and to tell you the truth, me used to be one of them people there. Some people believe, say, in them heart, them are really good people. But I know that God would say. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do. Click the like button now and drop a comment below and share this with all of your friends them. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, them chapter 3, from verse 9 to verse 20. So what? When you think, say, we were Jew better off than the people them were not Jew? No, sir. Because me done show no already. Say, everybody, whether them a Jew or them are not Jew, sin control them life. Everybody a sinner. As same so it say in a God word, it write down, say, nobody, not even one somebody do it right in a God eye. Nobody no really know it right. Nobody no really want to know God. Everybody turn them back on God. Them turn bad. Them not no used to God. Nobody no do good. Nobody at all. For them mouth come in like one open grave with them tongue a bare lie them tell and trick people. The word them will come out of them mouth kill people. I like them lip full up of the same poison we cynic have. Them ever curse and I wish bad things upon people. And everything what them say show say them bitter. Then quick to kill people. And everywhere them go, then cause people to suffer. And they mash up everything. Them not do nothing where would have caused people to live in a peace. They're not afraid of God. They don't respect him for who him be. No, we know say everything we write down in the law are for the people who follow the law. God give them the law so that nobody can say nothing when he come to punish them. Nobody can say they never know right from wrong. So God are going to punish everybody where they in the world. Whether them are Jew or them are not Jew. Everybody are going to get punished. Because God not going to make things right between you and him. Just through you are follow the law. The law can't do that. What the law do, and make we know, say we are sinner. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.